Choose your friends wisely, a timeless adage once imparted by teachers to their students. As we progress on our journey, its wisdom resonates more strongly. Our companions shape our destiny, for we inevitably become reflections of those we surround ourselves with. If we choose to align with thieves, we should not be startled when we find ourselves mirroring their ways. In this video, we'll talk about 10 types of people who will make you broke. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Number 10. The YOLO Spender. The YOLO Spender, who believes you only live once, promotes hasty spending. To succeed financially, avoid such people. They value rapid enjoyment over future considerations. Living today is fun, but don't sacrifice tomorrow. Today's deeds can last. Befriend a clever saver who can balance. They have fun while managing their finances so they have enough for today and tomorrow. Number 9. The Hopeful Dreamer. The cheerful dreamer wants a better life and positively sees the world, but they don't have the drive to make their dreams come true. They are great at coming up with new ideas, but they don't help much with taking action. On the other hand, the dream chaser is also creative, but they actively work toward their goals and can make things happen. Number 7. Spendthrift. It's important to pay attention to the kind of people we hang out with. Spendthrifts are one type of friend you should stay away from. Associating with people like this can cause us to lose all of our money in no time. When a friend is a spendthrift, it becomes normal to spend money without thinking, and this often means buying expensive things. Instead of losing time with people like this, it's better to hang out with people who encourage saving money instead of spending too much. Number 8. The Discouraging Pessimist. Pessimistic friends usually think the worst will happen. Even when positive things happen, they convince you that negativity will prevail. Avoid this acquaintance if you seek wealth and success. Like multiplying a positive number by a negative one, their negativity will overcome your optimism. Instead, be with realistic optimists. Number 6. The Heartless Scammer. We do not imply that your friend is a scammer, but they are willing to go to any extent to obtain your money. Individuals of this nature are not reliable as friends and should not be trusted. They are often referred to as Judas due to their swift betrayal of Jesus for a mere 30 pieces of silver. Such friends are solely concerned with their interests and can effortlessly deceive you for personal gain. Number 5. The one with get-rich habits. This person is similar to a cruel con artist, but hasn't harmed anyone yet. They are lazy and always searching for shortcuts to make quick money. Avoid associating with them if you don't want to end up like them. Instead, spend time with patient investors who believe in hard work and utilizing resources to build wealth. These individuals find joy in taking small, consistent steps toward financial success and planning for the future. Number 4. The Risk Avoider. They avoid danger and discomfort. They would sooner leave a crowded interview than wait. When challenged, they give up. As you wait for easier possibilities, having them as a friend can hold you back. However, time with a brave analyst is beneficial. They accept difficulties and take measured risks. Follow their example to seize every opportunity and succeed. Number 3. The Victim. This person is constantly playing the victim and refusing to accept responsibility, even when it's their fault. They blame others like their boss or the government, never acknowledging their actions. However, if they realize the power of hard work, they can change their perspective and achieve their goals. Number 2. The Spaghetti Mind Thinker. Spaghetti-minded thinkers are connected to hopeful dreamers, yet they stand out. They act but become sidetracked by various tasks. They can leave you bewildered and goalless. They may forsake a project today for another next month, leaving it unfinished. However, the concentrated doer works on one task at a time without interruptions. Number 1. Gamblers. Having an acquaintance who has achieved wealth through gambling might tempt you to consider engaging in it, but I strongly advise against pursuing that path. Numerous business owners have witnessed the downfall of their enterprises due to gambling. Not only can you lose your business, but others have also suffered the loss of their families and homes as a result. Gambling behaves like an addiction that becomes difficult to quit once initiated. It deceives you into believing that you can accumulate millions in a matter of seconds, but in reality, you will be the one squandering millions. That's all for today. Give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to follow us for more videos. Thank you.